Good evening. It's PFS Tib with Deep South Trading LLC. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Today is 9/14/2002 on a Wednesday. So I took a few live trades today in my Take Profit account that I'd like to share with you. I was doing this from my phone. I log into my computer with Google Remote or Chrome Remote, whatever it's called, and take some trades. I don't like doing this because there's always a lag and sometimes I can get in trouble. Sometimes the trade is actually opened and closed before I even see it on my screen. So anyway, let's see what we got today. So it looks like I didn't get to trade until, remember I'm on Central Time, so I'm 1 hour behind New York. Doesn't look like I got to trade till 9:14. Had this little short here. Price went up. We made a double top. Should have took the short. Was probably the better trade. And what I didn't notice was my filter, which my 14 CCI was over the 8 SMA. So this is telling me to be looking for a long. All right. When I took this short, when we rejected the 34. My Mac Daddy's telling me, hey, you need to go long. We crossed here. So guess what? I got stopped out. Took a full stop out, about $350 and some change. This was actually a really, really big one. It actually got me for quite a bit. More than my 2 points. A little more than my 2 points. But anyhow. So here I am. I'm down. So as time progresses, we go here. Had a good little squeeze with the EMAs. I really like ones off the major EMA, the 140 or the 500. This was a good EMA reject here. I like this one here, but I didn't get into this one till over here, which was around 921. So I got short, and it looks like I made about, let's see, 140 and about another 45-ish or so. So did really good on that one. Actually, I'm wrong. Let me take that back. For some reason, I did this on one contract. That's right. I did a one contract trade because I was trying to make a little money so I could wouldn't hit my daily loss. That's right. I took one contract here. Then I came back and I took a trade for 3 contracts. And then I took another one for another 3 contracts because price was just really moving down. And I liked the action that we was having. And also, let me put the 1 minute up here. That way you can see, because I do look at this 1 minute as a filter. So I like the way we was just coming down on that 1 minute. Everything was looking good. The ADX was going up. The Mac Daddy had crossed. So I went ahead and I took another trade on that. Okay. At this time, I'm only down about $28.30. Then my next trade, which happened about 9:28, somehow I didn't get a really good feel. I got in right here. Price came back up and took me out for about $312 and some change. So my stop is $300, so with commission it was $312 and some change. So then I got back in short a minute later at 9:29. That one was a winner. And then I got in another short. I got about 137. So I probably got like 140 out of that one. A little more than 140. And I got another one for my $150. So that put me down 65.02. By this time I was starting to feel a little pressured. I didn't like the way I was feeling. I was getting a little antsy. I like my trades when they're closer to the 34 EMA. But I just felt like we were going to continue down some more. And then the all report was about to come out, which I don't really look at the all report effect in the ES much, but anyway, I want to get out of that trade. So at around 9:32, the market was going up. My background changed green just on my 5 range. It was still red on here, but we had broke above the 8 EMA on the 1 minute. My McDaddy's crossed, so I took this long entry. This is the entry that I wanted right here on this bar. This was the reject that I was looking for, but my entry was a little late. I didn't actually get in till here. All right, so I got the long on it for, it looks like, for around 95, around 130 something dollars. And then I took another long trade, and I got around 150 on it, and that put me up about 210.50 for the day, and that was after commissions. So I decided to go ahead and stop. I didn't want to push the limit any further. Like I said, I was feeling a little antsy on that last trade, so I put my account at 25,280. So I'm happy with those results. I'm back over the 25,000 mark. I'm about 1,300, 1,200 away from my profit target, which is 1,500. So I'm excited. I started this last Friday, so I have Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This is my 4th trading day in it, and I'm excited. Trading from home is a lot better. I'll be off Friday, so I'll get to trade from home. So I should have I'm thinking I'm going to have a really good day Friday. I'm going to try to put about 400 in it, have about 3 wins to the plus side. Should give me about 450 after commissions. Should be looking about 380 to 400. So that's going to be our goal. So we had some really good moves today. The market kept moving. I'm really liking the new setup. I like when the background's colored. Based off of the moving averages that I use, I have the background to change colors when they're lined up. I like the filter that Martin taught me here on the CCI. I use it quite a bit. So ADX, I'm still working with that. Haven't really figured out how to use it. Got some documentation I want to look and read up on it. The MACD, saw this from John Carter the other night. I really do like this faster moving MACD. As you can see, the settings on it are 3, 10, and 16. You know, I don't really use it as an indicator to trade from. I kind of use it as a filter. My main indicator is the CCI, 34 EMA. I am also do have some support and resistance lines I look at. But major thing, I'm looking at the pivots, and I look at the high and the lows of the day. So that's another major areas that I look at. I do have this 140 and 500 moving average on here. Guess I still got the 500. Maybe I just have the 140. Yeah, here's the 500 up here. No, that's a resistance. So, but I do look at it. I also look at the VWAP on my 1 minute chart. I don't know if y'all remember seeing that. But anyway, any questions on the indicators or anything, just let me know. Right now, this is basically about my journey with Take Profit and to get funded. I have passed the 3 other tryouts, but I have not been successful in staying funded. So I've been really working on my mental game. We'll see how it goes. Here was another good long. We rejected the low of the morning. I like it. Once the background became green, we had some really good rejects off the 34 EMA. Here's another good one. Once I get funded and I meet my threshold, I will start letting some of these trades run. Right now, I'm just trying to capture 1 point for $150 with 3 contracts and be done with it. So this morning, like I said, we had some really, really good trades. This was a really good trade here. I do like this one. Got a failure swing on the CCI. We also have our little yellow line filter, and boom, price went up. Good entry would have been here on this bar. I do like that one. Came back to 34, another good reject here on this one. I like it also. Actually, I like this one quite a bit. This is a really good one. This bar here. You know, we had a couple of good areas we could have took a trade from. When price starts moving too far away, I really don't want to get in. I want to try to get in when we come back and we actually touch the 34 and reject it. So, like here, I'd have got in here. Let's see, 68, so 70 would have been my stop. Probably would have got stopped out. If not, probably would, yeah, I'd have barely made my profit. Don't really like taking a trade on this one. I think this is the 140. Let me double check for you real quick. Yeah, it's the 140. Don't really like taking a trade down into a support area. So just need to be careful on it. Do like this reject here. 50's pointing up. MACDaddy's crossed. ADX is turning green. Plenty of trades today. Plenty of money to be made. You know, here's down into the 140. I'd have probably waited until this trade here, and then I would have gotten in it. Let me put a little marker for you. On there. Okay, Control F2. Like the reject from the 34 on this one. So, all right, I think this video's going long enough. I'm going to stop the recording. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I got a little choppy around this area. Still could have got our 1 point very easily. All I'm looking for is 1 point. Could have got the 1 point here. Just overall a really good day. I think I watched the market up till about 11 o'clock. Here's one of my favorites, actually. I like it where everything comes together. Cross right here, having the 8 pull back really nice. 13's pointing down. Boom. Katie bar the door. Take it home. Money in the bank. All right, everyone. Y'all have a great night. Like I said, if you got any questions, hit me up. And good luck tomorrow. We'll get at it again. All right. Thanks.